In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the smart adjustments in MacroFactors. So, smart adjustments in MacroFactor is a feature, is very important feature that is built in the MacroFactor application. So, how to use it? Simply, once you set up your account, you normally probably choose coached or collaborative. If you choose those two options, you're already using it and you don't have to do anything. But let's say an example, you choose manual, you're not using it. So how can you edit that? If you go to strategy here at the bottom right of the X, you'll find here an example yourself in this option. You can scroll down a little bit. You'll find here maintain his goal. This is my goal that I set. For me, I'm just going to click on new goal, set a new goal. I'm just going to do the same. So maintain weights and this example. Yeah, done. Now I'll go through set a new program. Let's just set my new program. So here you'll have to choose each either like coached or collaborative. If you choose manual, you will not be able to use the smart adjustments. So because you will have to set your own macro and calorie targets using the manual entry. If you choose collaborative, you'll be able to set your own, as example, macro targets, and they will adjust just the calorie budgets based on your goal and progress. If you choose coached, they will design a calorie and macro program based on your goal and preferences. So they will adjust everything for you. So for me here, I'm just going to click on next on the coached. I'm just going to choose here balance. For you, just answer the questions that's depending on you. For me, I'm just answering like some random questions because I don't care here. So as you can see, aligning my stuff for me, and they will adjust everything for me. And as you can see, I'll get here my new program, what I should do, and what next stuff, and I'll just have to follow it. I can just go to the dashboard and I'll have to follow it as example during my 7 days or week or month, whatever it is, and I'm successfully using it without any problems. You can also make sure to also perform some weekly check-ins. You can access the strategy tab. And here an example, initiate some check-ins when the check-in is due, and review the coaching model, apply some recommendations. Example, if they tell you any recommendations, and you should be like good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.